National Tandoori Masala. 99% of the people, they want easy work, right? Very easy, I'll tell you that. So I'm using 2.2 lbs of the whole chicken legs without the skin. These are 6 of them. Great masala. I'm not sponsored. I just want to show you the easiest way. You can take this masala, you can take this seasoning pack, and you can make the same recipe from the chicken legs. Chicken legs do come very nice. I'll share more videos on how to do the chicken with the skin. Very easy recipe. You can make in under at least 40 minutes of your time. You will need an oven for this recipe for sure. Once you make some cuts on the chicken, it's rinsed, it's clean already. Once you have all these ingredients what I showed you, so you will need, of course, the tandoori masala pack. You will need some red food color, and you will need olive oil for it. Since it's a baked recipe, it's a healthy recipe, right? So for healthy recipes, I would strongly suggest you guys use olive oil. Whole chicken leg and just vertical cuts on front side and vertical cuts on the back side as well. We will make some rice with it, of course, white rice in a rice cooker. So here it is, it's all done. We are done with the gloves. We are done with this chopping board. So this box carries 2 packs. I have already used one of it. In near future I wanted to make something real quick, real spicy touch. So I was like, yeah, why not? Let's go. Let's use this. Okay. So the new pack is open. 2.2 lbs of the chicken. Okay. This is the recipe for it. Take 1, 2, 3 whole tablespoons of the masala. Look at this. This is red, sparkling red food color. Half tablespoon. It goes right here. Alright, olive oil. I'm using this. This is glass bottle, dark glass bottle. That's what they're saying these days, that this is the best one. Anyway, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2.2 lbs of the chicken legs. We use 3 spoons of the tandoori chicken masala, half tablespoon of the food color, 6 tablespoons of the olive oil, and my friend, it's a good recipe, just rub all the ingredients on top of it. Take your time, okay? Here you have to make sure you get all the ingredients. Look at this, with the color and the masala. It's easy, and it's a baked recipe. I said 40 minutes, right? So we are counting the time actually, but chicken breast usually comes a little bit dry, in the baking section. So we are using chicken legs, tandoori chicken leg. Look at this. It's already done. Here it is, baking sheet. There you go. Just make sure you get your marinade all the way into deep cuts. Turn on your ovens at least 400 degrees already, and we will put this chicken leg right here. No hassle. It goes right here. So 3 right here. This is how it's gonna look. Our oven is ready. Follow me. Let me show you my oven, right? And we'll put it at the bottom, as close as to the heat. We will check back on these guys at least for in the oven at least for 30 minutes. Until then, what we will do, we will keep these things on the side. Let's make some Chana Pulao. This is complete Indian dish. So I have a whole boiled can of chickpea right here. We will add the chickpeas here. We will take, let me use the same spoon. It's okay if it has the oils or whatever. 1 whole tablespoon of cumin seeds. Salt, regular table salt. Quarter, leave the quarter space in your spoon and just add it right here. We will take rice. These are 2 cups of baking. These are basmati rice. We will add this right here. Just make sure there's nothing like this hanging in your rice. So we will take the same cup, we will add 1, 2, 3 and 4 whole cups of water in here. What we will do next, take the same spoon, it has a reddish part, it's okay. Here you go. This is our Chana Pulao rice. Now what we will do, we will take some oil, because Chana Pulao has some oil in there, right? So we will take 1 and 2, at least 30 mLs. 1 spoon carries 15 mLs, so 30 mLs of same olive oil. And this is a pressure cooker pot, so we will put these rice right here. If you don't have the red color in the rice, it's okay, don't worry about it, you know. Okay, so let's land this here. This is the the rice cooker, and it's on the warm. We'll just close on the lid, put it on, cook. That's what it is, my friend. Just wait 30 minutes and I'll see you then. This is after exactly 40 minutes. Rice cooker right here. It's been ready. Let me mix them up. I've showed you all the quantity. You know what to do, how to do, when to do. Here you go. Chicken leg pieces. Let's put them right here on the top. I've sliced some spring onion. Spring onion will do the magic. Alright, this is the taste test. This is it. And the rice, whoo, it's steaming hot. This is the first bite right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is it. So easy to make in 40 minutes of your time. In 40 minutes. You don't want this. It's an easiest recipe I have shared on this platform of the chicken, tandoori chicken. Here it is. This is the bite. I'm using hand. Here it is with the spoon. Chana, rice, chicken, green onion. You are missing this recipe out. Make this recipe so easy to make. I'll show you the whole process, how to do it. It's a whole meal right here. Just take a look on just one single bite. Chana, rice, deliciously baked tandoori chicken right here. And here it goes.
But you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood.